Hi friends, in this topic I am going to cover in the bind packages, and input is for this one bind package like DBRM, and then we are doing the bind packages. Bind package will check like all this checklist. It validate the SQL and resolve the table name and check the privileges and choose the access path based on the catalog statistics and store the source SQL in the catalog. And one more thing, like store the executable access path, nothing but package in the directory. Then it will, once the bind package is done, then it will go and store in the collection. This is the DB2 directory, and in the inside the collection we have the packages, and we have in DB2 directory we have different kind of collections and packages. We will see in the next screen the what is the collection and in DB2 how many collections is there. And this is like a DB2 catalog here, and DB2 catalog nothing but create, and these are like a SQL statement, and it like a what is resolved table name means object definitions. We can able to see that each and every step. Collection is a logical thing, and packages contain the access path. And here these are like a checklist I told, like here what are the step we'll elaborate that each and every point. What is validating check, like whether table is exists or not, validating SQL. And next resolving a username, nothing but table name in completing the table name and with their owners is in case of the omitted, the whether table name is correct and owner name is correct, that is called resolving table name. And authority checking mean whether a binder is authority to check, like do the bind access. And next is access path selection, consider it like a different run stat utility, it like a validate the cost. And next is executable access code is stored in a directory, nothing but like a packages. It will stored in a DB2 catalog. This is like a DB2 catalog here. And we can do the bind packages run in TSO online and batch, nothing but in by using online direct TSO prompt, or like by using batch job. And this is the package, and inside the package this is an input for the DBRM we have seen, and this is syntax to do like a bind package, and this is a collection name and member name. Member name here we can able to see the program DBRM name here. Similar like a collection for the different collection, what is the member name here, we can able to see the member name is same but collection name is different here. And like this is a what is the package name contains the collection ID and package ID. And here the bind package create the packages in the DB2 directory, this one. And package is, what is package, in the most of the time the interview will ask like what is the package. The package is the executable access path code for the SQL statement in the DBRM. The package ID will always name of the input DBRM, here like a package ID nothing but input DBRM name. The only two specification for the bind package are target collection and the input DBRM member keyword, for which one you are going to bind packages and the member name DBRM name. What is the collection? Collection is a nothing but a set of packages here. You can able to see that here the test environment, and this is like a prod environment. In the test environment, the same package name, package 1 and package 2, and the prod environment having the package 1 and package 2. The collection is implicitly create the first bind package referring to that collection. Here the two syntaxes here, like I am doing like a bind for the different programs. Bind package test environment, and member name is a package 1 here, nothing but DBRM name. And similarly for the test environment I am doing like a another member package 2 for the same environment, test environment. A package is a bound in a collection, nothing but like I am doing like a package for the I am doing one collection and for the different members. That's all, like called like a package is a bound in a collection, means I am doing like two different packages, two different members in the same for the same package. Package nothing but environment here. And this is like a overview of the program preparation overview diagram. Earlier we have seen I have covered like these are the topics, and pre-compilation you can able to see include member, DCLGen and DB2 catalog. And now we are in this step, like a DBRM is an input and bind package. And again able to see this is a DB2 directory, and this is like a collection, and inside the collection we can able to see the different type of packages. Now we'll see once we have done like a binding different packages in the pre-compilation stage, we have here like a consistency token. The timestamp will be created, like how the different type of programs we are going to running and how the timestamp will create for each module. These are like a different types of program and pre-compilation. In the pre-compilation stage itself, the timestamp will create for the member and corresponding DBRM name. Once we are doing binding packages, and in the DB2 directory, these programs will DBRM name will store, and you can able to see these are like a whatever the symbol inside for the DBRM name and corresponding program, the timestamp will create here. That is the symbol here. They are identified like this is like identified for this program having this timestamp here. And locating the packages at the execution time, how we know like the package is executed the corresponding member name. You can able to see this is my program I am going to execute here, call DSN HLI, and this is a DBRM name, and this is a timestamp and the statement number. This is a statement number, and same like a program my program 2, and this is having different DBRM name and different timestamp. Once we are given the load here the DB2 directory, but how do you know like which collection here it will check to pick for the this DBRM name? Here some syntax is there, like what is this diagram will explain here. We will go through each of the modified source, like my program 1, and this is my program 1 and my program 2 having created like a separate pre-compilation, and therefore have the different timestamp in their call second parameter in the file. Means each type create like a modifier. So this is a program 1 and program 2. Each time the program 1 having created a separate timestamp, and program 2 will create like a separate timestamp. Remember 3 parameter here, like this is the 3 parameter, and they are explained DBRM name, this is a DBRM name, and this is a timestamp, this is a statement name. But here the question like how the DB2 find the right packages with the right timestamp. Means in this directory we know like this is the DB2 DBRM2 and the timestamp is passing here. Here it will pass only this one. But how we will know in the package collection which program will call like at a right timestamp, and in different types of collections the same program name is there, but how it will pick? That's what it is telling, like if the several packages exist in different collection, the several packages, this is like several packages in different collection with the same timestamp. Means here also one timestamp is there, here also one timestamp is there, and but different bind packages with the same input DBRM. Which package will DB2 use? Here you can able to see this is the same timestamp whenever I am calling my program 1. In this collection I am not going to store like a program here, it will store only the DBRM. This is the main difference here, and here the difference is like my program is not there here, only it will store like a DBRM name, and here you can able to see the different different times same timestamp is there in the different collections. But how do you pick like which timestamp it will call while execution of the program? Here the missing link, nothing but like we have to create like a plan here. See, this is the plan is while how to find like previously we have seen 2 different timestamp for DBRM1 only and DBRM2 having different timestamp. We have to create like a plan here to bind collection and to plan is nothing but like a package in the can be executed via the located and executed via plan. That's why we have created like a plan here. For the plan we can able to see this is a plan here, and collection X and DBRM1. Once you given like collection X and DBRM1, it will go directly into the collection X. Similar like collection by star here given, so directly it will go and pick the collection 2. And this is syntax for the plan: bind plan, plan name, and package list, PK list, nothing but collection X dot DBRM name or collection Y dot star here means star means it will pick all DBRMs. Here I specifically mentioned the DBRM name, but in this collection I given the star value means it will pick all values. Next here, what is the plan? I told like plan can be sometime in interview ask like what is the plan? What is the difference between the plan and package? Package is not executable. Plan can be executable and located. That's why we are using the plan. Plan can be located and executed. Means you can able to see the direction. It will locate and execute the package. Means this is a package and locate. You can able to see the direction. It will locate and execute via the plan. That's why the plan contains the package list and list of pointer to the package, and DBRM name and the timestamp provided the call is used to locate the correct packages via the package list here. That's why we are using the plan here. And for creating the package, this is a syntax for the creating a package, bind package collection and the program name. What is the program name? And these are like different types of syntax here. Bind plan package list indicate the collection of X here, different types of collection. And while running the program, we have to give like a run program name and what plan we are going to execute for this program. It means that you can able to see this is a bind plan package list, and this is a while running program you have to give like a program name on which program you are going to execute and the plan name. This is the plan name for the whole plan name. But here I am going to get first we need to run this bind plan name package list. First, after executing bind plan, this is the runtime execution of the program. How to find like which package is corresponding to plan? So we have to use the run program and in the plan name. This is a diagram for the same preparation of we have seen like a DB2 directory and collection and the packages. And these are like some syntaxes like how for the bind plan and package list, and similarly we can able to use any one of the syntax here. It's not like a order. We can use any one of the syntax here. Bind plan name also we can do pk list. Bind plan pk list and member name also we can able to do. Bind plan member name also we can able to do. Similar like these are like program preparation. Till now we have reached here DB2 directory and collection bind packages. After DB2 catalog we have seen like a bind plan. It will go and pick the corresponding package list. But here like a package search. Once we have done like a call DSN call and corresponding timestamp, when the DBRM name corresponding timestamp will go, it will look for this directory. But here we have one more error we are facing in while execution of the program, timestamp mismatch error. What is mean timestamp mismatch error? At what condition we will get like a timestamp mismatch condition? We have seen that the plan can be contain the in-stream DBRM as well as the package list pointing to package or collection of the package. What happens when DB2 does not find the package or in-stream DBRM with a matching timestamp? Means what will happen if the corresponding DB2, the DB2 return the error condition shown mean here like a whenever I am passing this is the timestamp my round symbol, and here you can able to see these are like a different collection, but in this different collection the timestamp is not matching. So at the time what we will get? So we will get like a two types of error conditions. One is on a -805 nothing but timestamp is not matching. Another is like 818 error. Timestamp mismatch error here. Means here you can able to see based on the diagram here the timestamp is not matching. Whatever the timestamp I given input, the same timestamp is not matching. Another condition like 818 means the program means here, but it is not like a mismatch error, timestamp mismatch error. Sometimes the interview asks like what is an 805, what is an 818. You have to tell like these are like a answer time 805 timestamp is not matching found in the collection. 818 means the timestamp mismatch error. These are like running the program by running the program, and we have to use these are like commands here. In the DSN prompt, I'm binding to the DB2P, means it is a production. If you are using like a test environment, you can use like a DB2T or QA region, and run program name and plan what plan you are going to running for this program. Here in the TSO environment, the link between plan and program is defined. Run command is activated in the program, and we can able to by using the CICS also we can able to run the program. But here see, first you need to type the transaction ID in the CICS environment. These are like some syntax while defining the program. We have to define the plan, program and DBRM name before executing the transaction ID. One more thing here, like we have to the plan name is associated with the program name and a transaction ID in the system table, such as like a resource control table in the CSS. Means sometimes they ask like a plan can be stored on which table. Plan is stored in the RCT table, nothing but a resource control table. In CSS we call like RCT table, but in different environment IMS and QMF, these are like a different tables. We have one more command, like we can able to do like a free the package and plan by using a TSO environment. That is nothing but like I want to free or delete the package by using a TSO command. Then this is the syntax: free, plan or package. Any one of them you can use. And drop package by using SQL. These are like SQL statement we have to use by using SUPI or QMF to run this command. Drop packages. And this is like deleting a package or plan from DB2 system can be done by using the free command under TSO environment. This is a TSO environment, just like a bind, or SQL statement, nothing but a bind, which could be issued by using program. Similar like a free drop syntax, like a free plan ID and free package. This is sample syntax for the same. Earlier we had told free plan package, same like we are given like a free plan. What is the plan ID? We can able to give number of plans here. And free package means collection ID dot package ID under which version. Similar like in SQL also we have to use like a drop package, collection ID and the corresponding version number, and which version you are going to dropping by using SQL. Yeah, that's all friends for the today topic. And next session I am going to cover like what is a qualifier, and we can able to see the like a isolation level. Friends, if you are like my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please like my if you are like my content, please like, and please share this content to your friends to get understanding of the DB2 concept. Thank you all.